Solve the following equation for x as an element of the real number set. 2x over 3 plus x minus 1 over 5 equals x over 2 plus 2. With more complicated equations containing fractions, we can remove the fractions by multiplying all terms on both sides by the lowest common multiple, LCM, of the bottom lines. So the LCM here is 30. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, dot, dot, dot. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, dot, dot, dot. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dot, dot, dot. And if we were to keep going, the lowest common multiple would end up being 30. So we're going to multiply across by 30. So 2x over 3 multiplied by 30. X minus 1 over 5 multiplied by 30. Then we have our equals. X over 2 multiplied by 30. And then 2 multiplied by 30. So 30 multiplied by 2x is 60x, and 60x divided by 3 is 20x. Then 30 divided by 5 will be 6, so it's going to be 6 multiplied by the numerator, which is x minus 1. We'll work that out in a minute. And then 30 times x is 30x, and 30x divided by 2 is 15x, and 30 times 2 is 60. Bring down the 20x, 6 by x is 6x, 6 by minus 1 is minus 6. Bring down the equals, the 15x, and the plus 60. Then 20x plus 6x gives us 26x. Bring down the minus 6, the equals, the 15x, and the plus 60. So then we're going to bring all the x's over to the left-hand side. So the 15x comes over and becomes minus 15x. So 26x minus 15x is 11x. And then the minus 6 comes over and becomes plus 6. And 60 plus 6 is 66. So 11x is equal to 66. And 66 divided by 11 is 6. So x is equal to 6. Alternatively, what we could have done was simplified the left-hand side by adding the fractions together, and simplified the right-hand side by adding the fractions together, and then cross-multiplied when we had simplified the left-hand side and the right-hand side as much as possible. So on the left-hand side of the equal sign, we have two fractions with thirds and fifths, so our common denominator is 15. So we're going to say 3 into 15 goes 5 times, and then bring down the numerator, plus 5 into 15 goes 3 times, and bring down that numerator. Then on the right hand side we have x over 2 plus 2, which can be written as 2 over 1. So then we multiply out our brackets. 5 by 2x is 10x. 3 by x is 3x. And 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. And that's still over 15. And then over here we're going to get a common denominator of 2. 2 divides into 2 and 1 divides into 2. 2 into 2 goes once, and we bring down our numerator. Bring down our sign. 1 into 2 goes twice, and bring down the numerator. So then 10x plus 3x is 13x. So we have 13x, bring down the minus 3 and the 15. Then 1 by x is x. And 2 by 2 is 4. So we've simplified the left-hand side as much as we can. We've simplified the right-hand side as much as we can. So now we have to cross-multiply. So we're going to have 13x minus 3 multiplied by 2. And x plus 4 multiplied by 15. Then we multiply out our brackets. 2 by 13x is 26x. 2 by minus 3 is minus 6. Bring down the equals. 15 by x is 15x. 15 by 4 is plus 60. So now what we're going to do is get all the x's on the left of the equal sign and all the numbers on the right of the equal sign. So this 15x comes over the equal sign and becomes minus 15x. And this minus 6 comes over the equal sign and becomes plus 6. So we have 26x minus 15x equals 60 plus 6. 26x minus 15x is 11x. 60 plus 6 is 66. 66 divided by 11 is going to be 6, so x is equal to 6. So what we did in this question was we simplified both sides, then we cross multiplied, and then we solved.